Greetings everyone, my name is Senzo Mthembu. I'm a founder and director of Bennico, a publishing company that creates and delivers children's workbooks to help kids create success from an early age. I operate in Duduza, far east of Egoruleni. The reason why I started the company back in 2015, I had a son who most of the time was staying with me while his mom was at work. Then during that time I was busy with creating house plans, which I find it hard to sell those house plans. While I was busy drawing, my son would be there touching my papers and do everything, which at the end of the day I decided to create something for him so that when I'm busy drawing the house plan, he can be busy doing something on his own. Then I started creating one page for him, one page for him, one page for him. During that time I decided, let me create a book for him. While I'm not there, he can have something that he can use while I'm not there. Then I started creating one book. From one book, I create 2 books. From those 2 books, then I started to sell in my neighborhood. Then from my neighborhood to ECDs, local ECDs around Duduza, to get more information about what's happening in ECDs, what can I do to teach my son, and what can I do to assist more on early childhood development. While I was busy with ECDs, they tell me this is what they need and they will be happy to buy from me. Then when I started the business, from there, I started supplying ECDs around KwaThema, Tsakane, Duduza, including Katlehong. With the help of social media, then I started to supply my books nationally. My products, for now I have 3 books, which is alphabet and number, cater for grade arts. I have a build-up with cater for grade arts, and I also have a coloring books which cater for children aged 3 to 7 years. I would say most people must buy my books due to I work with different teachers, social workers, Department of Health, which are local clinics, to create the books so that the books can be well organized, can assist in teaching kids in early childhood, can assist and engage in more educational level, be direct in what is needed to be taught in early childhood. You can find me on my social media pages, which is Bennico. Also you can find me on my WhatsApp, which is 068 006 and 0904. The book's prices is alphabet and number is 55, build up is 55, coloring book is 30 rand. Hi everyone, my name is Senzo Mthembu. I'm a township entrepreneur.